Good day, everyone. Today, we're diving into the essential role of multimedia literacy in English language teaching. In a world where information is increasingly visual, interactive, and fast paced, our students must navigate and communicate across various digital platforms. As educators, integrating multimedia isn't just about keeping up. Nope, not really. It's about empowering learners to become critical thinkers, effective communicators, and creative contributors in this dynamic and digital landscape. But first, let's define what multimedia literacy really means and why it's a game changer in our classrooms. Well, multimedia literacy goes beyond traditional skills. It empowers students to interpret, create, and critically evaluate content across multiple forms, such as texts, images, audio, and animation. This literacy fosters engagement and equips learners with essential 21st century skills. We're no longer confined to reading and writing alone. Understanding how different media types work together is crucial for effective communication and learning. This includes recognizing how visual and auditory elements complement text to strengthen comprehension. By integrating multimedia literacy into English teaching, we enhance students' ability to think critically, communicate creatively, and engage with content more deeply. It prepares them to function effectively in a global, connected, tech-driven society. Now, what are the key components of multimedia literacy? There are three to be exact. We have interaction, integration, and diversity. Let's first talk about integration. Integration is about blending different media types to maximize understanding and retention. Think about how a well-designed infographic combined with audio narration can simplify complex ideas. You know, the right mix improves learning outcomes. Now, that's what integration is all about in the context of multimedia literacy. Diversity is another case. Diversity, as a component of multimedia literacy, encourages us to explore a range of media options. Each medium has unique strengths and limitations. For example, video engages emotions, while text may clarify details. So choosing the right medium for the right context is key to effective delivery. Last but not least, of course, is interaction. Interaction as a component of multimedia literacy invites students to create, not just consume. When learners actively engage by designing their own multimedia projects, for example, they build collaboration, problem solving, and digital citizenship skills. This approach transforms passive learners into empowered creators. So, as educators in the digital world, we're not just teaching English, we're shaping how students think, create, and communicate in a multimedia driven world. By integrating multimedia literacy into our teaching, we empower learners to become critical thinkers, creative storytellers, and active participants in a global society. Let's not only teach them the language, but also the skills to amplify their voices and make a lasting impact. Together, let's create classrooms where learning isn't just seen or heard, it's experienced. Now, these resources provide valuable insights and evidence supporting multimedia integration in English teaching. I encourage you to explore them to deepen your understanding and inspire your own uh, teaching. So, thank you so much for your time. Take good care of yourselves and God bless.